It's because of choosing more of this, which I fail at all the time, every day. But because of that, this enhances. When this enhances, that means that I receive something, new information, because of my, oh, here's a good one. I was at the golf range the other day. Love golf. I work with a lot of golfers to help their body. A lot of times they always want to turn more, right? So I'm at the range and I'm whacking the ball, and you know, I really wasn't hitting it very well for myself that day. I was having kind of a hard time getting to the impact zone normally and repeating that, and so my shots were kind of going you know, in different directions every time relatively, and so I had to ask a guy over there. I said, hey, you know what? I'm having trouble, and he had real consistent swing shot shapes and stuff like that. And I said, you know what, I'm having some trouble with this, which for myself, I mean, good Lord, you know, I'm a professional in sport performance. I should know how to do that, right? You know what, I didn't know what to do. So I was like, yo, dude, you know, will you come over here and watch me? He was like 19, you know, a 19-year-old kid, you know, I'm 40, and I was like, yo, you know, will you please help me? Look at me, and you know, because as I can see you. And sure enough, after one swing, he gave me one cue, and boom, right in a row, right? And I was like, yo, dude, you know, come into my studio. I had my studio at the time, and I'll hook you up, and whatever you want to know about golf, strength training, mobility, whatever, dude. I was like,
I owe you.
Come in, man, for 2 weeks for free. Come in, you know what? And sure enough, that turned into referrals, and boom, then came a referral stream of clients. So thank God that I was willing to do that, right? Because of my previous failure.